Welcome to our video titled Top 7 Home and Kitchen Gadgets You Need for Comfort and Convenience. In today's video, we'll introduce you to 7 amazing products designed to make your daily life easier and more enjoyable. So let's dive in. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. SMARTMI Electric Heater. Let's get started at number 7 with the SMARTMI Electric Heater, an ideal solution for keeping your home warm during chilly days. This stylish and efficient heater uses a mica heating method that ensures fast and even warmth throughout the room. With a maximum power of 2000 W, it can easily heat spaces of up to 20 square meters, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even your bathroom. What sets this heater apart is its intelligent app control, allowing you to adjust settings remotely from your smartphone for ultimate convenience. The heater features a sleek European design that complements any modern home decor, and it's equipped with an IPX4 water-resistant rating, making it safe for use in bathrooms. With a power line length of 3 meters, it can be placed in various areas of the room, and the 1S intelligent version ensures it heats up quickly. Whether you're working in your office or relaxing at home, the SMARTMI electric heater provides fast and efficient heating at your fingertips. Number 6. YEELIGHT Motion Induction Light. Next up, we have the YEELIGHT Human Motion Induction Cabinet Light, a game-changing solution for those dark corners in your home. This motion-sensing light is perfect for wardrobes, cabinets, and under-sink areas where you need quick illumination without fumbling for a switch. One of the standout features of this light is its stepless dimming, allowing you to adjust the brightness to your preference. Number 5. Xiaomi Ratchet Screwdriver Set. At number 5, we have the Xiaomi high-quality Ratchet Screwdriver Set, a must-have for anyone who loves DIY projects or home improvement. This versatile tool set features 12 types of screwdriver heads, which makes it perfect for a wide range of screws. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing electronics, or performing repairs around the house, this set has you covered. The ratchet mechanism is designed for easy disassembly and assembly, making it quicker and more efficient to complete your tasks. Number 4. Adjustable Rainbow Dumbbell Set. At number 4, we have the Adjustable Rainbow Dumbbell Set, perfect for those looking to add a bit of fun to their workout routine. This set allows you to adjust the weight according to your needs, making it suitable for various fitness levels. Whether you're doing strength training, toning, or cardio, these dumbbells offer the versatility you need for your home workouts. The vibrant rainbow design adds a pop of color to your exercise space, while the adjustable weight mechanism ensures you can easily switch between different weights. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this set is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their at-home gym. Durable and easy to use, it's the perfect addition to any workout regimen. Number 3. Xiaomi Smart Heating Blanket. Number 3 on our list is the Xiaomi Mijia Smart Water Circulation Heating Blanket, a luxurious and practical addition to your bed. This innovative blanket uses water circulation technology to provide even, consistent heat, ensuring you stay warm all night long. The blanket has a dual-zone independent water tank feature, meaning both sides of the blanket can be controlled independently for customized warmth. The Xiaomi Smart Heating Blanket can be controlled via the Mijia app, allowing you to adjust the temperature to your preference without leaving the comfort of your bed. It also has safety features like overheat protection and waterproof capabilities, so you can rest easy knowing you're in safe hands. Whether you're in the living room watching TV or curled up in bed, this smart blanket will keep you warm and cozy through the colder months. Number 2. Xiaomi Pipe Dredging Brush. At number 2, we have the Xiaomi Yupin Pipe Dredging Brush, the perfect solution for anyone tired of clogged drains. This innovative tool is designed to clean hair and debris from pipes and drains, making it easier than ever to maintain your plumbing system. Whether it's your kitchen sink, bathroom drain, or shower pipes, this brush is flexible enough to reach deep into narrow spaces. Made from high-quality iron wire and nylon bristles, this brush is durable and effective at removing blockages. Number 1. SUPOR Master Chef Machine. And at number 1, we have the SUPOR 220V Master Chef Machine, the ultimate kitchen companion for any home cook. This multi-purpose electric cooking machine takes the guesswork out of cooking, allowing you to stir-fry, steam, boil, and even pressure cook with ease. With a 5-liter capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for the whole family. The SUPOR Master Chef machine is equipped with an automatic stirring feature, ensuring your food is evenly cooked without the need for constant supervision. Whether you're making soups, stews, or stir-fries, this machine's versatility will make meal preparation faster and more convenient. With its sleek design and user-friendly controls, it's a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.